Okay everyone, for my very first Thermomix video, we are going to be making oatmeal in the Thermomix. You can't see me because I can't figure out how to rotate the camera, so we're just going to do this. We have to do this quickly because I've been trying and my children keep talking. I'm sure you understand. So, to start out with, I'm just going to go into my computerized menu and I'm going to say, what do I want to do? I want to search. Nope, I want to search. I always hit the wrong buttons. Okay, we have a search menu, we have a keyboard. For oatmeal. I don't know about you, but I like oatmeal. I just don't like to stand at the stove because I always end up having to do something else. And then I overcook it or it just doesn't taste good. So as you can see here, it asks for the ounces. 6 ounces of rolled oats. And watch that, it's a scale. It's actually measuring as I go. But, oh no! I didn't set aside enough rolled oats. What am I going to do, guys? Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to grab more rolled oats. Let's see. That worked, Ivy. It does, baby. Okay, you can see why I have trouble making breakfast. Hey, Drake, would you let the dog outside? Okay, now it wants 17 ounces of whole milk. Sometimes I reverse the milk and the water because I try not to have too much milk. But today I'm going to show it to you exactly as the recipe calls for because it is delicious. The only reason I limit my milk is because it kind of gives me itchy eyes. And then we'll hit next. And it wants 13 ounces of water. I'll let you see what's happening in here. Whoops. Oh, okay, I did 13.6. What are we going to do about that? I'm going to throw in an extra handful of oats. Next, 1 pinch of salt. So I set aside a pinch of salt already.
Who wants to eat?
I understand that. Would you please let her outside, though? Okay, and we're going to put the lid on. Bye, oatmeal. And it says it needs 11 minutes at 195 degrees. And to set this to 2. Okay, now you see it's cooking away. We glance in here. Oh, it's exciting. And I'm going to go feed the dog, and I'll get back to you in 11 minutes. Okay, everyone, we're in the last few seconds. As you can see, these lights are red. That means it's hot. The metal part's hot. And then we're going to go. Let's see. That little sound means everything's finished. And you just saw this disengage. I hit the yellow button, or the silver button. Sorry, I got distracted. And that made the noise stop. We'll take this off. Let's take a look. Yay, oatmeal. So we're going to go in here. Oh, look at that. I know some people are going, ugh, that looks disgusting. But for oatmeal, that actually looks super delicious, in my personal opinion. There we go. Let's see how messy this is going to get. I have a particular talent for spilling on my Thermomix. Thankfully, it doesn't actually seem to mind. My kids spill on it. I spill it. There is a metal blade down here, so I have to be kind of careful. Usually if I do this, I would put it into a bowl first, like a big bowl, and then dish my stuff out. But since I'm doing the video one-handed, I thought this would just be more efficient. We're going to come over here. How about you? I like frozen strawberries in my oatmeal because then I can eat it sooner. Sorry, my messy toaster. Stir those in. It's like an ultimate, and look at that, immediate cool down with your frozen berries. And then I throw in whatever banana we have. Today we had a leftover banana from yesterday, just half a banana in the fridge. And then, because I like things sweet, just a bit, well, maybe more than a bit, of maple syrup. Anyway, that is my breakfast. Only one of my children will eat this breakfast, but I love it, and I think you would too. So have a great day, everybody. Okay, guys, I almost forgot the most important, well, not important, but exciting feature of this. I just added some water into my oatmeal container after I took the oatmeal out. I don't really like cooking caked on dishes, so right after I make the oatmeal, I add the water in, I put the lid back on, I go down to the menu, I swipe right. I guess I'm technically swiping. My finger swipes left, but it goes right. There's a button here called pre-clean. And when you hit pre-clean, it battens down the hatches and it gets started. It locks everything up here. Down here it says, hey, you gotta wait for a little bit. If you guys want to sit through this part, you can. You don't have to. It could take up to 5 minutes, but usually it takes about 2 minutes. This is the sounds you're gonna hear. It's about to get exciting. See, the green light means that the container has cooled down. Oh, there it goes. And there goes the dog. You'll note it's moving around a little. That's not my hand shaking. Whoa. Now it says down here we have approximately 1 minute to go. Sorry about the lighting changes. Whoa. Let's see if we can see what's going on. Ah! I'm gonna be a rebel and hold you up into there. Whoa. It got very excited, didn't it? Okay, there's our happy noise. Everything's finished noise. Wait for these to unclamp. And voila. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot less gunk on the side. And when I rinse it out in the sink, that's all going to come out now. Have a good day, everybody.